Okay, today we are going to discuss important formula for class 11 and 12. Although it is for English medium student, okay, try to understand. Here impulse is equal to force into time. You know about impulse, force into time. A strength change in dimension by original dimension. Modulus of elasticity, stress by strain. Surface tension, force by length. Surface energy, energy by area. Velocity gradient, velocity by distance. Pressure gradient, pressure by distance. Pressure energy, pressure guna multiply volume. Coefficient of viscosity, force by area into velocity gradient. MLT minus 2 by L square, LT minus ML minus 1, T minus 1. Here L. Angular velocity, angle by time, T minus 1. Angular acceleration, angular velocity by time, it is T minus 1 by T. Radius of gyration, angular acceleration, angular velocity by time. Radius of gyration, distance by distance, radius of gyration simply distance, dimension L. Moment of inertia, mass into radius of gyration square. Angular momentum, moment of inertia into angular velocity. Moment of force, moment of couple, same thing. Force into distance. Torque, angular momentum by time or force into distance. Angular frequency, 2 pi into frequency. Hubble constant, recession speed by distance. Intensity of wave, energy by time by area. Radiation pressure, intensity of wave by speed of light. Energy density, energy by volume. Critical velocity, Reynolds number multiplied by coefficient of viscosity by mass density into radius. Escape velocity root 2gr. G is acceleration due to gravity. R is the radius. Heat energy, internal energy, work is equal to force into distance. W is equal to Fs. Rotational kinetic energy, half into moment of inertia into angular velocity square. Efficiency, output work or energy by input work or energy. Angular impulse, torque into time. Gravitational constant, force into distance square by mass into mass. Planck constant, energy by frequency. Heat capacity, entropy, heat energy by temperature. A specific heat capacity, heat energy by mass into temperature. Latent heat, heat energy by mass. Thermal expansion coefficient or thermal expansivity, change in dimension by original dimension multiplied by temperature. Thermal conductivity, heat energy into thickness by area into temperature into time. Bulk modulus or compressibility inverse, volume into change in pressure by change in volume. Centripetal acceleration, velocity by radius. Stephen constant, energy by area into time by temperature to the power 4. Stephen constant, energy by area into time by temperature to the power 4. When constant, wavelength into temperature. Boltzmann constant, energy by temperature. Universal gas constant, pressure into volume by mole into temperature. Charge, current into time. Current density, current by area. Voltage, electric potential, electromotive force, work by charge. Resistance, potential difference by current. Capacitance, charge by potential difference. Electrical resistivity, resistance into area by length. It is also known as electrical conductivity inverse. Electric field, electric force by charge. Electric flux, electric field into area. Electric dipole moment, torque by electric field. Electric field strength or electric intensity, potential difference by distance. Magnetic field flux density, magnetic induction, force by current into length. Magnetic flux into area. Inductance, magnetic flux by current. Magnetic dipole moment, torque by magnetic flux or current into area. magnetic field strength, magnetic intensity or magnetic moment density, magnetic moment by volume, permittivity constant of free space, charge into charge by 4 pi into electric force into distance square, permeability constant for magnet of free space 2 pi into force into distance, current into length, refractive index, speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in medium, Faraday constant, Avogadro constant into elementary charge, wave number 2 pi by length, 2 pi by wavelength 1 by L, radiant flux, radiant power, energy emitted by time, luminosity of radiant flux, radiant intensity, it is also known as radiant intensity, radiant power or radiant flux of source by solid angle, luminous power or luminous flux of source, luminous energy emitted by time, luminous intensity or illuminating power of source, luminous flux by solid angle. Intensity of illumination or luminance, luminous intensity by distance square, relative luminosity, luminous flux of a source of given a wavelength by luminous flux of peak sensitivity wavelength source of same power, luminous efficiency, total luminous flux by total radiant flux, luminance or illumination, luminous flux incidence by area, mass defect, sum of masses of nucleus minus mass of the nucleus, binding energy of nucleus, mass defect into speed of light in vacuum, decay constant, you know it is used in radioactivity 0.693 by half life, resonant frequency, inductance into capacitance to the power minus half, quality factor or Q factor of coil, resonant frequency into inductance by resistance, power of lens, you know this thing, focal length inverse 1 by f, fluid flow rate pi by 8, pressure into radius to the power 4, viscosity coefficient into length, capacitive reactance, angular frequency into capacitance, inductive reactance, angular frequency in multiply by inductance. I hope you will get good ideas from this formula, but I want to share, if you like this video, you should what thing, you should subscribe and also press the bell icon, okay, so that if I will send any video, you will get immediately, okay. Thank you.